Welcome everyone! Here is how to remove SIM card from iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max. The first step is we need access to a SIM ejector tool. So you can either find this in your old iPhone XS, XS Max box, or what I've done is I've used the SIM ejector tool from my newer iPhone box. If you can't find a box with a SIM ejector tool, you can alternatively use a pin or a paper clip and you can bend it out so you have a thin line like this. Once we have done that, we need to look for the SIM card slot. So on iPhone XS and the XS Max, we see the power button here, and then below the power button, we have this outline in a hole. This right here is the SIM card tray. And so what we need to do is we need to use the thin end of our SIM ejector tool and we insert that into the hole of the SIM card tray, and then we push down, we keep on pushing until we hear a click, and then we can see the SIM card tray has partially ejected from our iPhone. We can then use our thumb to take the SIM card tray out of the phone. You can just flip the SIM card tray to eject the SIM card, and if you plan on putting a new SIM card in, just match the ridge of the SIM card tray with the ridge of the SIM card. So you can see my right index finger is pointing to that ridge. If you're struggling, you can just flip the SIM card tray the other way around, and then that should help the SIM card fit in the tray. And then you can just put in the SIM card back in the tray, just like that. Now real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.